Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, December 28, 2023. Let's find out what is going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. We are looking at the daily time frame chart. Let me just zoom into the recent situation on this pair. So what do we have here? As you can see, is the swing high. This swing high is located at 41,604, which is why we can mark it as the technical resistance, this swing high, of course. So we will mark it as the red line, for example. Then we got the pullback lower. This pullback ends up at the level of 37,251. We might even mark this level as the pullback low, and this will be, of course, our technical support. We can even manage to add another technical support, 37,515. So we have a very nice demand zone located between these two levels. From the upside, however, there is another very interesting level. This level is, of course, 40,323. It's been tested one time, second time, third time, fourth time. So 4 different tests of the bulls, but no breakout. One more thing we can add on this chart is the trend line, and if you can see here, this trend line has many touches, which makes it much more valuable for the analysis than the any other one. And as you can see, we got one fake breakout towards the technical resistance, and then quick reverse and close way below the trend line resistance as well. So we are still trading below the upper trend line. If we add one more trend line here, for example, from here to here, yeah, you can see clearly that maybe some sort of the triangle pattern is being formed on the daily time frame chart. Okay, and that would actually mean as well that maybe some kind of a bullish pennant is being formed on the daily time frame chart as well. It just depends what kind of a technical analysis tools you are using. Nevertheless, the general outlook is to the upside. So when we're done with this situation here, horizontal trend, potential pennant pattern, potential triangle pattern in progress, right? When we are done with this, when this is completed or terminated, the outlook remains to the upside, remains unchanged, because in the background, really, what we have is a very nice up trend. So this is a pause in apparently uptrend continuation. So this is the internal cycle. We can call him pullback, we can call it correction, but this is the internal correction during the uptrend. So we should expect a breakout, and the breakout should be done to the upside. So something like this is being expected. Now, if there is, instead of the breakout to the upside, the breakout to the downside below the lows of the 18th of the December 2023, as I said, 37,251. So we will go lower, way lower, for example, 35,623. Then our outlook must switch to more bearish, because this would be the biggest correction during the whole up move here towards the 41,604, which means that movement to the downside is no longer a part of the uptrend. It is a separate cycle, a separate correction, and might get even deeper. All right, so please stay focused, monitor the price developments on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto to see what is the actual market movement on this time frame and what to do about it. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.